We are leaving France today, our last day in France. Unfortunately, we have to leave Paris. We're now heading back to England for a week. But we're not flying, we're catching a train. So this is going to be a good experience for us. So the Eurostar takes you from Paris to London. About 30 minutes of the trip. It's a 2.5 hour trip. 30 minutes in the trip, we'll be going in the tunnel. So it sounds like quite a long tunnel. Everyone's checking in now. We are in the Gare du Nord station. So one of these trains is the one that we are catching. We are in the departure lounge now. Are we? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the check-in system is different from the airport. In here, you come into the departure booth, so they check in your passport, and just behind the booth is the arrival booth. You're technically departing and arriving in the same area before you catch in the train. Ready for a 2.5 hour train ride? We will be going in the tunnel. You excited? Yeah, I think it's a long tunnel. Longer than the tunnel that you've been in Sydney. Say bye-bye Paris.
Au revoir Paris.
It's dark out there. We're going through the tunnel now. That's just mean that we are going under the ocean. That means the border between England and France. We are crossing it soon. So we have left Paris. We are somewhere here. And that's London, that's where we're going to. How's the train ride so far?
Good.
You get car sick a lot?
Car sick, but throughout this trip here, I haven't gotten sick.
Oh, that's good, that's good. It means you're enjoying your holiday. So we are officially in England. We just came out of the tunnel and now in the UK. The tunnel is almost 51 kilometers long. We have arrived in London. Now we're heading out. I don't think we're going through customs again because it's already been done in France. Well, we are officially in London. There is no custom clearance. Everything's been done in France. Me personally, I prefer going on a train than fly. Train is much better than flying from France to London. It's much easier on a train, so even though it takes a bit longer, but it's still much easier than flying. Just check in at the hotel. We are in central London, and while we were walking in, we met a familiar face, a former Flying Fijian rugby player, Sekonaya Kalau. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and follow my channel. Mode.